For the 1st of June 2018, first day of the Australian winter. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. We open with a capture of the International Space Station flying to the south of Australia, and something's caught my eye, and I'm going to put this question out to you from looking at the imagery or the footage currently on the screen. Please post in the comments when this video is made public, and indicate to me if you agree that there is something in the image. The Bureau of Meteorology has various warnings in place, and we start off with a severe weather warning for damaging surf and normally high tides for the mid-north coast, Hunter, Metropolitan, Illawarra forecast districts. Large and powerful surf developing along the central parts of the coast. Low pressure system over the Tasman Sea continues to deepen in response to a cold front, and there's been quite a few of them. This low is generating vigorous southerly winds with large and powerful waves. Let's look at the live feed webcam from Platinum Apartments, looking down onto the Crown Casino in Melbourne, Victoria. Very heavy surf likely to cause localised damage, coastal erosion for some exposed south-facing zones along parts of the coast between Southwest Rocks and Ulladulla. That's one warning from New South Wales. We also have a severe weather warning, damaging surf, damaging winds for Lord Howe Island. Now we have a look at the state of Queensland. Strong wind warning in place, Peninsula, Cooktown coast, and including the Gold Coast waters. For Saturday, the strong wind warning will remain in place for the Gold Coast area. Bureau of Meteorology down in New South Wales has a hazardous surf warning for the Byrons, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coasts. Hazardous surf warning, and a similar one for New South Wales tomorrow, Saturday. And as mentioned, a gale warning for the New South Wales coastal regions. There are no warnings in place for the state of Tasmania, South Australia, Northern Territory and WA. And a marine wind warning, strong wind warning for the East Gippsland coast. That's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology. Now we have a look at a live webcam, and it's Bateman's Bay. The Bureau of Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall. Shows another interesting picture. And looking at the imagery on the screen, it looks like a bit of storm activity eastward from that location. The BSCH website, it's the GFS model, and we're looking at instability from 7 AM through to 10 AM Saturday. And again, it's the northwest WA coast area to the west of the WA South Australia border. Bit of activity or instability over Papua New Guinea. And back to the Bureau's rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and you can definitely see the areas of interest. The WA coast, area south of Fraser Island, Queensland, down along the central New South Wales coastal region, the South Gippsland region, and look at that area in green and blue. We appreciate the support to the AU channel. Pivotal Weather website, it's the GFS model, areas of interest, the purple and the yellow. And you can note the area in yellow south of Fraser Island down into southern New South Wales. Now we have a look at the Tropical Tidbits website, operated by Levi Cowan, and Levi has undertaken some changes to the website, and this is the GFS accumulated precipitation, and this is out to the 384 hour mark. Himmawari 8, a satellite view, Australia's western region, taking in parts of the South Indian Ocean. Now we have a look at the Indian Ocean precipitation outlook. And there are two areas of interest: South China Sea, the western region of the Philippines, eastern area of the Philippines, and probably this time next week we could see two typhoons. And the GFS model, you can actually see the yellow, and when you see the yellow, the South China Sea and the eastern region of the Philippines, it shows up possible tracks. And the Himawari 8 satellite view, Australia's eastern, New Zealand, southwest Pacific regions. There's a GFS 850 millibar pressure and wind in knots for the Indian Ocean region. And to the right hand side of the screen, the South China Sea, and the eastern side of the Philippines, you can actually see the two low pressure systems. The models are now aligned, which provides a clear picture that something is to take place. And finally, the tropical cyclone formation probability guide. If you'd like to get in contact with me, here's my email address. If you'd like to get in contact with Force 13, we operate our own website, currently undergoing further changes. A few outstanding channels on YouTube. We have 2, 3, 4 Facebook pages. We operate 3 accounts on Twitter. Nathan Force 13 on Skype. Phil 13 hash 9094 on Discord. And stay tuned to the local channel Force 13 AU.